Hello everybody, my name is Anna and I am your dance artist for today, and today I am joined with Jodie.
Hello, my name is Jodie. Welcome to DanceSyndrome's Everybody Dance session. Before we start, make sure you have enough space around you. Check that the floor is clear and you are not going to knock into anything. Spread out your arms and twirl to check you have enough room. All our music today is from our favorite musicals. Enjoy dancing to it. Let's begin with a warm-up. Copy and follow the amazing Anna to music from the Mumia. Here we go again.
Let's go for it then. So warm up, following along with my movements. Please make adaptations as we go. I'll pop the music on. Fantastic. Hope you're starting to feel warm. Jodie, what is next?
Hey, Anna, that was great. Stretch time now with Anna and music from Joseph. Follow and copy Anna.
Here we go for our stretch. Same as the warm-up, follow along with our movements. Here we go, but remember to make those adaptations. Just have a little sway. Reaching one arm over. And the other way. We're going to have a little twist. Make it a bit bigger. And smaller. Take it into the shoulders. Crossing one arm over. Hook it under. And open and swap. And take one arm up, give it a bend and a little pull here. You're wanting your arm to be in between your shoulder blades. Remember, make those adaptations wherever's comfortable. And open and swap. Let's take it into a lunge. So find a deep lunge, your front leg is bent, your knee above your ankle, back leg straight, and see if you can hold a balance. You can always hold on to something at the side here for support. And go back up. And swap. So find that lunge, make sure you're comfortable and feeling the stretch. And go back. Take a deep breath in. And we're going to fall down. Have a little sway. And reaching down. Roll it up. Reach up to the sky, have a balance. And drop down. Let's take one leg behind, have a bend, lift the toe. If you want more of a stretch, fall down. And coming up, swapping over. We're just going to take some roll down and roll up, so we start with our head down. And coming back up. Take your time, remember head is the last thing to come up. And one more, down. And back up. Rolling the shoulders. And forward. Let's just have a little sway. And we're going to just rock our head to the side. And to the side. And normal. Give your shoulders a roll. Give your whole body a shake. Fantastic, really well done there everybody. Hope you're now feeling a bit more stretched out. So let's head over to Jodie to find out what our main activity is for today. Over to you.
Awesome, Anna. It's creative task time, and we're going to create a dance putting several different moves together. Our first move is a jump. This can be a leap with both feet leaving the ground, or a quick flick with any part of your body. My jump would be using my head like this. So go on, let's jump.
Fantastic, so we're going to choose our favourite jump. And Jodie gave you some options there. So have a think now, what's your favourite jump? I think I quite like going, whoop, just like popping to one side. I also like jumping my shoulders. I love a big jump. So what is mine going to be today? This felt quite nice actually, jumping with my shoulders, but letting the weight proper take me down. So maybe I jump like this. So my jump is this. What is your jump? Have a little go. Nice, fab. So let's find out what the next movement is.
Rotate or turn any part of your body. I would rotate my chair. What would you do?
Rotate is the next one. How can we rotate? We could do a whole body rotation. We could rotate our head, our hands, our wrist, our knees. Lots of different rotations, so choose your rotation. I think I might do my knees. I might do one knee then the other. That's what I'm thinking. So then what do we do now, Jodie?
A stretch next. How tall can you make yourself? How far can you reach? You could stretch at a low level. See what you can do.
A stretch. Okay. How could we stretch? It could just be a big star. You might do a stretch from our warm-up. You might want to stretch your whole body in different directions. Oh, I think I might do that. I think I might think of going one way and the other. Whatever feels comfortable. Which way do I want to go? How do I want to stretch in different directions? But that's going to be mine. What's going to be yours? Let's find out what the next movement is. So we've done jump, crawl, stretch, and what's the next one?
Now for a crawl. On all fours on the floor. If you wish, or crawl with your hands only, or run your fingers up your arm like a spider crawling up you. You may think of another crawl. Let's crawl.
Oh, crawl. Jodie loves a good crawl. Every time me and Jodie create something, not even me and Jodie, just Jodie and anyone, or Jodie by herself creates anything, it's always got a crawl in it, always. So, how could we crawl? Oh, that could be a crawl. Let me come close. This could be a crawl. Maybe I'll do that. Maybe I'll come up with some random movement today, some nice abstract. Crawl like this. You could crawl as if you're an animal on the prowl. You could think about being on a medium level, crawling, however that might be, crawling. You could be on a low level, so you could be moving forwards. You could be on the lowest level, I can't even see me, and you could crawl like this. Nice, you could do a bit of an army crawl. So have a think, what crawl are you going to do? I think I am going to do this. I think it's quite interesting. I don't think I've done this in a dance routine before. So my crawl is this. Maybe I'll do it on a low level as well to mix my levels. So this is my crawl. Let's try our jump. So my jump was this. And then my crawl is this. Again, maybe I'll take one step down. Fab! Wonderful. Let's find out what the next movement is.
Now choose your favourite moves from the jump. Crawl, stretch and rotate, link them together to make a phrase. Keep repeating your dance phrase till the end of the music. Let's dance to Waterloo from Romania.
So let's put all those movements together and then try it with some music. So everybody show me your jump. Nice, it's up to you how fast or slow you do it, as well as how many you want to do. Then we go into our crawl. Now to get into my crawl, I'm taking one step forward. I'm going like this. I might put my hand on my leg. Crawl. Into the stretch. So from here, I think I'm going to balance and try to go this way to my stretch. And then into the rotation. Nice, so let's try it with some music. Are we ready? Let's give it a go. enjoyed creating a dance, especially then having Waterloo on as well. Fantastic. I liked the random movements I came up with. I don't think I've done this for crawl ever, and I quite liked the knees rotating. So really wonderful and well done, everybody. Let's see what Jodie thinks.
That looked so energetic. It's time for a cool down with Anna. Keep your eyes on her and copy her moves. This time our music is from The Greatest Showman. That's all for now. Wow. As always, I have enjoyed leading the session with Anna. Hope you have enjoyed it too. Thank you for dancing with us. Goodbye from Dance Syndrome's Everybody Dance. Take care. And keep dancing.